Hello, it's me. Welcome, and thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making taco burritos, and here's what I'll be using. I have some green onions, some bacon, pork bacon, and some ground beef, some tortillas, taco seasoning, nacho cheese, jalapeno slices, sour cream, and some tomatoes. This is completely optional. It's all up to you. And here's what we'll do next. And while my pan is heating up here, I'm going to cut up some of my bacon. I may or may not need all of it. And this is about 2, 4, 6, about 10 or 12 slices. I only cut about half of that bacon up, and I've added a little oil to my pan. I'm going to just pull them loose a little. We're going to add them into the pan, and we're going to cook them till they're about crisp. Let's see. Perfectly crisp. I'm going to take that out. And that's it for that, and I'm going to lose some of this grease, pour some of it off, but I'm going to save a little bit because that's flavor for my hamburger. Adding some of this hamburger in. I'm going to break this down. I'm just going to keep cooking this until it browns all the way up. And we're going to add in some taco seasoning, and I have mild. You can definitely make it spicy. And this can be really salty. I know you know that. So, I don't like my food salty. I like it seasoned. So, if I were you, I would put it in, because this is only a pound of hamburger. I cooked the whole package. And you might want to add some and then taste a little. Add some more. And then taste like that. And I've used a little more than half of a package, and I'm going to use my slotted spoon and remove it, because I want to, I don't want to take off all the oils, because I don't want it, my meat to be too dry. Make for a dry burrito. I'm just going to remove all of this. Now I'm going to cut up some green onions, and I've already washed these off. I'm going to take this right away. add these into my dish. My diced tomatoes, I'm chopping them up a little more. And then I'm going to add them to the strainer so they can drain some of the juice. And I'm also going to add a little bit of salt to help it along, to help them along. Yeah, that'll drain moisture. Okay, we're going to heat up our tortilla, and I've added a little butter. Add that on. Just about a minute or so on each side. It's been about a minute. It's been about a minute on that side. And if you don't like sour cream, you don't have to add it. But I'm just going to add some. And I'm going to add some nacho cheese. Spread that around as well. Put that back in there. And I'm going to use my hand. I'm going to add some hamburger. You know how you like it. Make it how you like it. And I'm going to add, some bacon. Some bacon. It's nice and crispy. Yep. Going to add some jalapeno peppers. These are mild. You can use some spicy ones or none at all. I'm going to add some lettuce. No, let me add my tomatoes first. I'm sorry. Don't want to add too many because I don't want them to want the sandwich to be wet. Yeah, I don't want that. And I'm going to add my green onions. Green onions. To your taste, of course. And I'm going to add some lettuce. Just a little for some more crunch. Gonna add some more nacho cheese. And we're going to get it together. There you go. I want it to look pretty. Hold on, let me fold it over a little further. I'm going to roll it up like this. And to hold it together, I'm going to roll it in. This is wax paper. You can use foil or anything you want. And now I'm going to cut it in half. And there you are. To top it off, you can add some more cheese. Some more nacho cheese. On both sides. Hold on, I have some annatto seed. I'm going to use it just for color. Just Frankie Dink. And there you have it. That's a taco burrito. Well, I appreciate you hanging out with me, and I had a good time. I hope you did too. And remember to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you, pray for them, pray for us. Don't stop praying. Would you give me a thumbs up? Subscribe if you haven't. Share if you haven't. And comment. I would love to hear from you. That's it and that's all. And until next time, eat well and be well. Later. Mm-hmm.